Hello again, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do corn fried rice. Simple recipe, corn fried rice. I've got two fresh corn right here. I'm gonna shred out the kernels, and I'm gonna fry it with I got about two cups of jasmine rice that been cooked and left in the refrigerator for about a day. So corn fried rice, and the other ingredient is it's uh, it's up to you if you want to use a lot of eggs. I'm going to use 5 eggs for this recipe. 5 eggs, and the other one you're going to use is soy sauce, black soy sauce, sesame oil, granulated chicken flavor soup base mix, and some ground up pepper. So let's cut up the let's shred up the corn. And for the corn, I'm just yeah, this fresh corn is very creamy and add a lot of flavor to them. Just use a knife and just shred off the kernel. Like that. Simple and delicious recipe. Yeah, you never try corn fried rice, I should give it a try. It's very delicious. Kind of use your hands to separate all the kernel here, loosen it up. All right, let's cook the rice. Need about a teaspoon of oil. I'm using an olive oil. You can use any oil. All right, so let's cook the egg first. You can put, most people only use a couple eggs, but I like to have a lot of eggs in there. So as I say, a lot of people just, use 2 or 3 eggs, but I want a lot of eggs in the rice, or, use 5. It's up to you, how many eggs you want to use. Just put half the rice in, don't just put all the rice in yet, just that's a little trick. Just put half the rice in and stir it. Alright, now you can put the rest of the rice in. Doesn't take long, it's only about 30 seconds or so. And then I'll put the corn in. I'm going to reduce the heat a little bit to medium. I don't want to burn on the bottom. Alright, now time to put all the other ingredients in. A little bit of soy sauce, maybe a teaspoon of that, not too much. black soy sauce, about half a teaspoon of that. That's just gonna give you the sweetness and give a little dark color a little bit to the rice. Now pepper, about a teaspoon of that. For flavor, granulated chicken flavor soup base mix. You can buy that in the Asian store just to give it a really good flavor there. About a teaspoon and a half of that. Stir it pretty good. About half a teaspoon of sesame oil. Sesame oil kind of give a little flavor there, not too much. Now take a spoon and just give a little taste. See if you need any more salt. If you need more salt, just if you need it, yeah. If it's not salty, just add a little more salt. Perfect. It's perfect. Very sweet. The corn gives it the sweetness and the creaminess, and this is a very easy and delicious recipe. So I hope you give this recipe a try. It's very very delicious. That's done. Turn off the stove. Let's plate it up. So this is the final product, corn fried rice. Basically, you take a fresh corn and then you shred it off. You shred off the kernels and just fry with rice and eggs. So corn fried rice. I hope you give this recipe a try, and it's very delicious, very creamy and sweet, and give it a try. Thanks again. Thank you very much for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye. Come on back to me.